this video I am going to explain how to draw the different views of an object shown in the figure. So if you haven't checked any of those basic videos, kindly check it out. The link will be available in the description. So the given question is draw the front, top and side view of the object given. So now open Autocad and first you have to type is limits, and the lower left corner should be 210 and upper right corner should be 297. Next you have to enter is units and make the precision as 0. Press OK. So in India mostly third angle projection is preferred. The symbol of third angle projection will be like this. So it will be looking like a truncated cone. So now go to circle. Draw the second circle. So this is a symbol of a third angle projection. Now we will move on to this question. So we have to draw the front view of this diagram. So first the front view we will draw. So considering the front view this side, so when we look from this side, front side, we should draw what and all the parts we will see. We should imagine and draw the parts. So first when we see from the front side, this section will be seen, this one this E section, and this B will be seen, and this H will be seen. So let's draw how it will be seen. Go to line, make sure author is on. So this will be seen. So we have drawn this part, E section. So now we have to draw this B. So trim this extra line. So now we have drawn this E and B. So the next part will be this H. So again go to line and just draw. So this will be the front view of this object. So the next we have to draw the right side view. So when we see this object from the right side, this J part will be seen. Now next this F part also will be seen, and this C part will be seen. So now go to line. This will be a front side view. Now right side view we have to draw. So draw the bottom line. So now this J section is drawn. Now we have to draw this F. So it will be looking like a square or rectangle only. So from here you have to join this. So now this J and F is completed. So from right side view this C will also be seen. So from here draw like this. So now front and right side view is drawn. Now we have to draw the top view. When we see this object from the top, we will be seeing this A part, then this D part, then this G and H part. So let's see how we are drawing this top view. So now we'll go to line. First we will draw this A part. So we have to draw a square. So this A part is down. So now let's draw this D part. Go to line. So this D part is drawn. So now we have to draw this G and H part. So we can draw this like a rectangle and let's divide it. So now go to line. Now we have drawn this entire part. So now we have to split it. So again go to line. Go to trim. Press this line and select this line also, and then press enter. Now select this part and this part so that it will be trimmed off. So this will be the top view. So this will be the top view. This will be the right side view, and this will be the front view, and that's how you draw the different views of the given object. So that's it for today. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment section, and you can even mail me. My mail ID is available in the description, so that those doubts will be clarified in the upcoming videos.